Welcome to this important tutorial. To sign your Word document, first you will need to draw your signature on a piece of paper with a marker or another pen with a large line connect. Then take a photo of your signature and send it to your computer through mail, Bluetooth, or USB connection. In this video, we will use USB to transfer the signature image from my phone to my Windows PC. Once you have received the signature in your PC, make sure to save it in any location you wish, desktop, documents, or downloads. Here, I saved mine in the documents. Now let's open Microsoft Word and insert the signature in the document. Navigate to the Insert tab in the ribbon, and in the Illustrations group, click Pictures. From the drop-down menu, select this device. Now search your files to find the signature photo. In our case, the source file is the Documents folder. Select the image and click Insert. You could see that Word has added the picture to the document. When you click it, you can resize your image by dragging one of the sizing handles. If you have a lot of space around the signature, and like in our case, you can crop the image. Select and right-click on it, and in the Picture Format tab that appears, select Crop. Now drag beside the handle as close as possible to your signature. Once you are done, click anywhere in the document. Now let's remove the gray background around the signature. Select the image, navigate to the Picture Format tab at the top, and in the Adjust group, select the Color Corrections option. In the drop-down menu, you can see a lot of options, but in our case, we navigate to the Section 2 column. Select the last white background option with brightness plus 40% and contrast minus 40%. If it doesn't work for you, you can select any other option here depending the color of your image and how you want it to look. This also depends on the background color of the document you want to add your signature to. So make your choice wisely. Decide for yourself what looks best. Supporting this channel through your subscription would greatly encourage us, so go ahead and subscribe and like this video as well.
Now the last thing we need to do is remove the background. The signature still has a tiny dark background around it. Select the image, then navigate to the Picture Format tab, and in the Adjust group, click Remove Background. You could see the signature is now in the pink frame, and some of the lines are faded. In the Background Removal tab that appears in the ribbon, select Mark Areas to Keep and highlight all the lines of the signature. Once you're finished, click Keep Changes. We're almost done. The last thing we need is a signature line with the name and position. For this purpose, let's use the Signature Line tool in Microsoft Word. Place the cursor where you want to insert the signature. Then navigate the Insert tab, and in the text group, click Add a Signature Line. I hope you could see the tab that I clicked to reveal this. In the Signature Setup dialog box, you can enter the suggested signer name and title. Of course, you can also enter your email address, or check or uncheck to show the signature date. Once you are finished, click OK. Check out if the signature line is in the right place. Continue by adjusting the position of the signature image. Select the signature image, click Layout Options that appears on the right, and select one of the two last options, Behind Text or In Front of Text. In fact, I suggest you select the last one. Now, just simply drag your signature onto the signature line. If you want to save the signature line with your signature for future documents, highlight both and navigate to the Insert tab in the text group. Select Quick Parts, and in the drop-down menu, click Save Selection to a Quick Part Gallery. I hope you could see where I clicked to bring this up. From the new building block dialog box that appears, enter the name of your signature, then click OK. That's all. Now when you'll need to insert a signature, just click on Quick Parts and select what you saved. If you found this tutorial helpful, reward us with a like. We would be more than grateful to welcome you to our community if this is your first time on our YouTube channel. Please hit the subscribe button to enjoy and explore our useful tips. Check out our playlists for more. Thanks.